Welcome back to S&S Kasana. Posting indaba zabantu singabuzwanga ulapha nje uthandazana naqala. Yo. One thing about Nozipho and of you guys, no Cyan. Aibo, these women, they will do themselves. Guys, they are doing themselves. They are doing justice for themselves. I am loving shame it for bona. Haibo betunani, we owe us. We owe us. So Nozipho sana went back after 6 weeks and I lift my belly. Guys, no, judge. I am judging myself, guys. No, but often no pop because she's already pretty. You know, often no pop. What do you guys think about this? I am loving it for them. Mara, my concern is become addicted because also in once mentioned go to once waqala ngesurgery uzawubona enye.
Guys, so this is a quick update. Ta-da! So, part 2 of my mommy makeover. I had my abdominoplasty done about 6-7 weeks ago, and then we thought we'll do my breast last, and we recently did that 2 days ago, and this is where I am. This is day 2 of the recovery from the mastopexy, that's what they call it, but it's basically a breast lift. I didn't put any silicone or anything to it. I just lift my breast. That is it. So yeah, this is me, day 2 post surgery of my breast lift. This is the tummy tuck product. I still have the scar. It's looking still visible a bit, but I'm looking great and I'm loving it.